Tracking coronavirus tonight, a local mom is battling COVID-19 and she is so worried her condition may be getting worse. She's sharing her journey, hoping it's going to encourage more people to wear a face covering.
New here at 6 o'clock, reporter Blake Stevens following her progress. He joins us now here in the studio. So Blake, catching coronavirus, obviously a big fear for a lot of people, but especially for this mom.
That's right, Bo, and she's a familiar face. Tracy Vance reached out to us in June, making a plea to people living in and visiting Sevier County to wear a face covering. She has COPD and severe asthma. Her doctors told her those lung issues would put her at a higher risk of dying if she got the virus. That fear became a reality Friday.
I have severe health problems. My lungs are awful. And I've got little kids in the house. It's just scary.
After that interview, Sevier County saw more than 1,100 new cases of COVID-19, including Tracy Vance. She was admitted to the hospital Friday, hours after a positive test.
I'm absolutely terrified.
Her symptoms including tightness in her chest, headache, shaking, cold chills, and something she describes as smothering. That one carried over into Saturday.
Even though my O2 seems to be okay, I still feel like I'm smothering. And they said they're looking into it as a COVID side effect.
She hopes her story will inspire change in those ignoring the requirement on face coverings.
The places that I went to, people weren't wearing their masks or not wearing them properly. And when confronted, I'm not wearing it. Oh, okay. If you care enough about yourself and your fellow man, wear a mask.
Tracy went home Sunday after spending 2.5 days in the hospital. We spoke with her today.
Are you getting worse or are you getting better?
I think I'm getting worse. But I feel like I just can't breathe. Like there's a herd of elephants sitting on my chest. And taking a breath is hard.
Tracy now adding dizziness to her growing list of symptoms. She's also experiencing a growing fear that her condition will get much worse.
Being put on a ventilator isn't the scary part to me. The scary part to me is what it's going to do to my daughter and my grandkids.
Our discussion cut short to give her a moment to catch her breath.
Okay. Ugh.
Now, Vance tells me she left the house a couple times a week to buy groceries or to pick up medicine. Her children live at home and both have jobs interacting with the public. But again, she does not know exactly how she got the virus. She doesn't want to point fingers. She just wants more people to wear a mask. Lori.
All right, Blake, my goodness, powerful story there. And a reminder, Monday, Sevier County Mayor Larry Waters extended that face covering requirement through August 29th.